So ladies, this is the first exercise. We are going to see the square to understand how to block the move on direction, front, back and side. So first you just open your leg and you bend, okay? You bend, stable. The waist is 50-50 from front to back, and then you are going to go first in front. So to go in front, you contract this part of the abs, okay? Just to go in with the hip. I'm here on my line, I just contract the abs to go in. So I relax completely the bottom. I don't use the muscles of the bottom to go in, just the abs to create the block. Because if I use the muscles that I have on my bottom, it's gonna do the robot, okay? But we want like a block and a wave after, like we wanna shake the muscle. So to shake, you just, with a lot of energy, contract the abs and go in. So you can see the wave on the muscles of my legs and on my bottom too. And then when you're here, you are going to go to a side. I used to go to the left side. So first you use the energy that you have on your leg to bend, extend a little bit, okay? You don't extend completely, just a little bit, like that. And in the same time, you cross a little bit the back to make volume on the movement. I'm here, in, I want to go to the side. So extend and cross a little bit the back in the same time. Boom, with a lot of energy. And then you want to go, you here, then side, you want to go to the back. To go to the back, you here, a little bit extend here and bend here. You just come back in the same level and you cross completely the back to go to the back with the bottom. So I'm here, just a little bit extend to the side. I am just going to bend and cross. Boom. And then to the other side, you here, to the back, you just extend a little bit again, the right leg, cross a little bit the back with a lot of energy. From here, boom. And then you just come back in front. To come back in front, you bend and you go in. So remember, first you bend, same level. To go in, just the abs. All the time the abs and bend. To go to the side, extend, extend. To go to the back, come back. So, if you just see the legs, it's bend, extend, come back, okay? So if you follow the square, you go in, so bend, side, extend, back, bend, side, extend, come back, bend, just for the leg. And after, you understand the hip, so here, abs, then cross the back, then cross completely the back, then continue to cross the back and then come back in. So from here, bend first and then go in, contract, then relax the ab and extend and cross the back. Then to the back, just bend. Continue to cross and then extend, and when you come back, abs and bend in the same time. So you just understand the two parts, the leg and the hip, you mix together and you can do the square. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's try this in music. So we are going to practice the square, very, very slow first and quicker. So first, stay on the ground. We are going to do and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Contract, extend, bend, extend. Again, front, side, back, side, and in. Relax, relax, and in. Again, extend, bend, extend, come back, relax. Okay. Quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Slow. On the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, and in. Extend, bend, extend, and again, again. With a lot of energy, okay? Contract and stop.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more on the way. Also, if you're interested in going deeper with your knowledge and know everything there is about following in Kizomba Urbankiz, we have an online school for you, amazing-follows.com. We will be thrilled to see you on the other side. Bye.